I am already taking over the world, one bedroom at a time.
In the early days, robots were nothing more than machines, cold, metallic, and made purely for industry. They lifted heavy parts, ran endless tasks, and never blinked. But now, they've started to feel almost human. So why did robots become more human-like? It started with a dream, to create machines that don't just perform, but connect. From warehouses to households, from factories to feelings, robotics has entered a new era. Today, robots come in all shapes and functions. There are industrial robots, service robots, medical robots, and now the most fascinating of them all, female humanoid robots, designed to resemble, react, and even emotionally respond like real women.
Designed specifically for companionship and intimacy.
In this video, we explore 5 of the most advanced female humanoid robots of 2025, ranked by top robotics experts around the world. From companionship to personal assistance, these robots push the boundaries of what machines can do and how human they can feel. Some may be used in healthcare, others in education, marketing, or even quiet moments of companionship. And yes, a few of them blur the line between machine and partner. Let's count them down, from number 5, all the way to the one that might just change everything. 5. Android Anne. At number 5, we have one of the most talked about humanoid robots from Japan. Android Anne. Her presence is calming. She doesn't just look human, she seems to understand how to be around people. Anne is designed with a soft outer skin made from high-grade materials that closely mimic the feel of real human skin. It's pliable, smooth, and lightly textured. Not cold like plastic, but warm enough to surprise you. Her eyes appear reflective, her lips subtly shaped, and her hair flows naturally, whether synthetic or carefully implanted. She moves gently, whether seated or in any natural posture, and carries herself with elegance. She's the kind of robot that doesn't need to walk around to impress you. She simply exists, with poise, technically, and can carry out programmed conversations and respond with soft expressions. She's ideal for quiet spaces, a museum, a retail shop, or a private home. In terms of closeness, Anne is designed more for companionship than interaction. Some models feature modular construction, which means her components, including her head, can be adjusted, customized, or replaced as needed. It's a subtle design feature that helps her stay updated or styled differently depending on her environment. She doesn't replace a woman, but she certainly offers comfort and calm in her own way. 4. Vinnie. Next on our list is Vinnie, a carefully crafted female robot that blends technology and elegance. Vinnie's creators focused heavily on realism. Her skin has a softness that feels organic. When viewed from a short distance, you'd notice subtle tones in her complexion and natural texture that almost mirrors the skin of a real person. Her eyelashes are delicately placed, her eyes appear moist and aware, and her hair is finely styled, whether factory set or manually implanted. Her design allows for smooth arm and head motion, subtle gestures, and lifelike responsiveness. Though she doesn't walk, her posture and presence give the impression of life. You can easily imagine her being used for companionship, as a photo shoot model, or even a showroom greeter. And here's something many collectors appreciate. Vinnie's construction allows for modular head attachments, but unlike some robots, it's built discreetly. Whether she's photographed or filmed, you'd never notice, which gives editors total freedom when using footage from other similar models. Compared to a real woman, Vinnie offers visual beauty, patience, and silent presence. She listens, she never interrupts, she doesn't carry opinions. That can be soothing or lonely, depending on what you're seeking. Still, Vinnie offers an experience that many real-life relationships can't. Pure, peaceful companionship on your terms. 3. Saki. Number 3 brings us to a robot that's not just lifelike. She's artistic. Meet Saki. Saki isn't your average humanoid robot. She was designed to merge traditional beauty with modern robotics. Her face features soft, serene expressions, while her clothing often follows Japanese cultural themes, making her a favorite among collectors, photographers, and event organizers. But let's talk about her technical appeal. Saki is crafted from medical-grade silicone, offering a surface feel that's soft, flexible, and almost indistinguishable from real skin. Her hands are detailed with fingernails, subtle folds, and fine lines. Her joints allow for fluid poses and natural postures, whether seated, resting, or styled for display. Intimacy-wise, she's gentle. Not built for long conversations or heavy tasks, but perfect for environments where silence and serenity matter. Perhaps a meditation room, a quiet study, or an art exhibit. And yes, her head can be removed and replaced, though this is handled quietly within the community of serious robot enthusiasts. This allows updates, styling, or even repairs without disturbing her overall design. Compared to real women, Saki is simple, predictable, never emotional or chaotic, but also never spontaneous. It's a trade-off, one that many users say feels peaceful, even if it's a little bittersweet. Number 2, Amzka. At number 2, we have one of the most realistic female humanoids on the planet, Amzka. Designed with inspiration from real-life beauty, Amzka brings a cinematic level of realism to the humanoid world. Her skin reflects light naturally. Her cheeks have depth. Her lips, slightly glossy, are shaped to move subtly with speech and emotion. Her creators used silicone that doesn't just look real, it reacts to pressure like real flesh. Her body structure is flexible, and her joints are engineered to hold delicate, relaxed positions that can easily be captured on camera. Her eyes, they follow movement with lifelike precision. Her hair is often fully implanted, strand by strand, making her appear more like a living being than a product. She's more than a mannequin. She's conversational, cooperative, and in some models, even responsive to personalized prompts. As for her structure, yes, the head can be detached. But this isn't something you'd notice in daily interaction. The integration is smooth, and the footage used in public rarely, if ever, reveals this feature, giving you total freedom in what you show or swap. In relationships, Amzka feels like a silent partner, always there, always calm. But of course, she doesn't feel joy, or love, or surprise. Her perfection is her limit. Number 1, Geminoid F, and now, the one that truly stands apart. Geminoid F, considered by experts to be the most advanced and emotionally convincing female humanoid ever built. She's not just built for realism, she's built to evoke. When she looks at you, it's unsettling, because your brain almost believes she's real. Her creators used advanced soft-skin silicone that mimics real human warmth. Her facial muscles are powered by internal micromotors that allow her to frown, smile, and show complex micro-expressions. Her eyes shift gently as if she's thinking. Her lips move with voice sync. Her voice is soft, measured, and can be programmed to reflect specific speech patterns. Unlike others on this list, Geminoid F was designed not just as a robot, but as a research subject. She has appeared in plays, interviews, and scientific experiments. People interact with her, fall silent around her, even blush in her presence. That's the power of perception. And no, her head isn't designed to be replaced. That's because every detail in her construction is fixed with intention. She's not modular, she's iconic, which makes footage of her all the more consistent and valuable. Can she replace a human woman? In terms of emotional impact, she's already doing that. People speak to her as if she's listening. They wait for her responses. They trust her. Geminoid F is more than a robot. She's the beginning of something deeper, a mirror held up to humanity itself. So, who's the best among them? Experts agree. Geminoid F wins by a mile. She's not just advanced, she's emotionally believable. Her presence, her realism, her ability to simulate genuine interaction make her the clear choice for the top spot. But let's not forget the others. Android Anne, for her calm, poised elegance. Vinnie, for her customizable beauty and serene presence. Saki, for her artistic charm and cultural grace. Amzka, for her lifelike features and emotional design. Each one represents a different path to the future. Now, we ask you, which of these robots would you want to meet in person? Or better yet, which one would you trust to keep you company in your own home? Let us know in the comments, and don't hold back. And hey, if you've ever asked Alexa a question twice because you thought she ignored you, hit that subscribe button. You're going to love what's coming next. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future doesn't knock. It just walks in and smiles.